Listen up, creative souls. We're living in a moment that's about to rewrite every rule of content creation. The future is here, and it's powered by AI. I'm talking next-level tools that can help you write, research, and even make videos. No more creative blocks, no more technical hurdles. This isn't science fiction, this is right now, and these 3 AI tools are your golden tickets. Let's dive into the world of AI that actually works. First up, we've got Claude, the AI that understands you. Picture Claude like that genius friend who can instantly adapt to any vibe you're feeling, no matter how unique. Want to sound like a street poet? Claude's got your back, capturing the essence of your words. Need to channel your inner corporate strategist? Done. Claude can switch gears effortlessly. Dreaming of writing a novel that'll make people feel things? Claude's ready to collaborate, bringing your story to life. Claude's not just about generating text, it's about capturing your voice, your rhythm, your soul. It's like having a mind-melding writing partner that can tap into your creative DNA, understanding your unique style. Give it a paragraph of your thoughts and watch it transform into polished prose, ready for the world to see. This is next-level stuff, enhancing your creativity, not replacing it. It's about making your ideas shine. Ready to break free from writer's block? Claude's your new best friend, always there to inspire. Next up, we're plugging into ChatGPT, a hyper-connected brain surfing the internet's waves. Imagine having a tool that can access vast amounts of information in seconds. Need to know the GDP of a country? Boom, ChatGPT's got you covered. Just type in your query, and you'll get the latest data instantly. Want to dive into the history of philosophy? Done. From ancient texts to modern interpretations, it's all at your fingertips. ChatGPT's like having a walking, talking encyclopedia. It can provide detailed explanations and summaries on a wide range of topics. But here's where ChatGPT goes from cool to mind-blowing. It's not just about spitting out facts, it can engage in meaningful conversations and provide nuanced answers. This AI can analyze trends, make predictions, and help you brainstorm ideas. Whether you're working on a project or just curious, it's an invaluable tool. It's like having a live research assistant that keeps you plugged into the global conversation. You can collaborate with it just like you would with a human. And because ChatGPT is all about real-time search, you're never more than a prompt away from cutting-edge insights. Stay ahead of the curve with the latest information. Forget outdated textbooks. ChatGPT's got its finger on the pulse of what's happening. It's constantly updated to provide the most current information available. Ready to upgrade your research game? ChatGPT is your new secret weapon. Embrace the future of research and let this AI elevate your knowledge to new heights. InVideo AI, turning words into movie magic. We're entering the realm of InVideo AI, a movie studio in your laptop. Imagine having the power of a full-fledged production house right at your fingertips. Transform your words into visual stories that pop off the screen. With just a few clicks, your text becomes a dynamic video experience. You type it, InVideo AI creates it. It's as simple as that. No need for extensive training or technical know-how. No more wrestling with complicated editing software. Say goodbye to the frustration and hello to creativity. This tool takes your raw ideas and spins them into video gold. Watch as your concepts evolve into polished, professional content. Imagine your blog post coming to life with stunning visuals and captivating music. It's like giving your words a new dimension. InVideo AI's intuitive interface makes it easy for anyone to create professional-looking videos. No steep learning curve, just seamless creation. A game changer for educators, entrepreneurs, anyone with a story to tell. Whether you're teaching, marketing, or storytelling, this tool is for you. InVideo AI gives you the power to captivate your audience in ways you never thought possible. Turn your vision into reality and leave a lasting impression. The future of creation is here, and it's you. We're witnessing the democratization of creativity. You don't need a computer science degree or thousands in equipment. If you've got a story, a passion, a message, you can now bring it to life. Writers, educators, entrepreneurs, dreamers, your time is now. These AI tools aren't just apps, they're portals. Portals that transform your raw, unfiltered human experience into content that can touch, teach, and transform. So, step into the portal. Embrace the power. The world is hungry for your unique voice. Create, share, repeat. The future isn't coming. The future is you.